Hello guys, in this video tutorial we will tell you how you can deploy Appy Pie Chatbot widget on your Godaddy's website. Log into your Godaddy account and click on My Products tab under the Account User drop-down menu in the top left. Next, select the website and then click on Edit Website to open the website builder. Now scroll down and select the spot where you would like to deploy your chatbot widget on your Godaddy website, and then click on the Add section button. Search for the HTML option and select Add to embed the chatbot widget code. Now let's get the widget code. Log into your Appy Pie Chatbot account and go to the Bots Setup section. Now copy the widget code from here. Once you copy the code, then go back to the Godaddy Website Builder tab and paste the widget code in the Custom Code field. You can also provide a title for your widget in the title field and adjust the height of your chatbot widget using the Force Height field, so that the widget window opens up properly on the website. Once you have provided the details, click Done. Now you can publish to go live with changes or click on the preview button to see the chatbot widget on your Godaddy website. You can now test your chatbot widget by scrolling down to the section where you added the chatbot widget. Now click on the Appy Pie Chatbot widget icon here to open the chatbot widget. This is how you can deploy the chatbot widget on your Godaddy website. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.